Hi guys, it's Sanal. Today we're unboxing this beautiful Genovega graphene heated jacket. It is so amazing and it has graphene inside. Now look, hi dear, let's get started. I love this box. It is so beautiful. And this jacket, oh, love, 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 love. And it's heated. It has this graphene inside that heats the jacket and keeps you warm. This is so amazing for those days when you want to be cozy, you want to be warm, and it comes with all the warm tips to give you all the information you need to make sure that you wear this jacket properly and that you are filled with so much warmth and so much joy. Now, it has the heated graphene inside, and look at this box. Oh my gosh, look at this. It has this bag, which is great for washing. When you're ready to wash the bag, you wash the jacket, you put it inside. And Genovega has provided care instructions, which are so awesome. All the information you need on how to care for the jacket, how to wash the jacket. It's got the QR code at the back so you can scan it in case you want to get even more amazing information. Also, it has the accessory. Now, this is the graphene heat device, and it is a large capacity 12-volt power bank. It's very lightweight in design. It's amazing. We're going to unbox it and get him on out of there. But look at that. Look at that. Sleek and modern, innovative. It has a long battery life. And it has the Type-C input, which we're going to take out right over there on the side so that you can charge it easily. So if you can charge your phone, you can charge this even faster. It's super fast charging and it's amazing. And so let's get this jacket on out of here. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love the black color. Look at that fur on top of the hood. Who gonna be stylish, honey? Look at me. Yes, and I love that bag. Look how big that bag is for when I need to wash it. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous and so beautiful. Now it has these pockets, which is where the graphene is gonna go, and then you're gonna just plug it into there. And it's just simple. It's so easy and so amazing. I absolutely love it for those cold winter days, and those days when you just want to feel like you're just wrapped up in a blanket and you're just snuggled up and you're so warm. But first, girl, we gotta charge it. Now it already has some charge in it, but I'm a little extra, so we got to charge this. It's already at 70%. So you know what, let's go on outside, okay? Because honey, it's cold outside now. Oh, that fur. Yes. Now it is so beautiful. It is, to be so warm. Now it's warm by itself, and it has this removable hood. Who don't want to be outside with your fur, baby? I'm just saying. So it has this removable hood. It's got two pockets. It's got one in back, two in the arm, one on the neck. And so it has a total of 6 pockets that includes this graphene area for the graphene heating pad. So, and it heats up that graphene pad. Oh my gosh, that device, it heats up so fast. And it's even safe to touch. It's lightweight, environmentally friendly. Look at those zippers on the front. Oh, it's so easy to zip. And the graphene is energy efficient and it's highly durable. And look at that. Look how easy that is to zip. And it's got that flap that covers the zip. And look at that. I love those sleeves, and it has those warm sleeves on the end that's going to snuggle up to your arm, your wrist. Oh, who gonna put it on? Let's put her on, honey. This is the best. This is like the best gift ever, and the best gift in the world any time of year. That you're going, maybe you're going skiing, you're going hiking, you're going out, and you want to look sporty, you want to look cute, you want to be warm. This is it. It's perfect. Let's zip her up. This thing is so good. It has this, the coat has this high density fabric, and it's used in graphene, specifically in graphene heated clothes. It has windproof performance. It's very comfortable and soft and exceptionally durable and stylish too, if I must say so myself. It's a little chilly outside, so you know what? Let's try this graphene. Let's try it out. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to turn that graphene on. It's right in the pocket, so it's easy and quick to turn on. It's so amazing. It has so many advantages for the cold. If you're camping, if you're outside playing the snow with kids, or you're outside walking, you have to stay inside during the winter. You can go out and enjoy the weather and get that, soak up that good vitamin D. Get outside and breathe, be one with nature. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. It's energy efficient. That graphene is warm, and it has this effect that allows the energy and the warmth to be distributed throughout the body and easily absorbed by the in the body. I'm feeling so warm. I want to play in the leaves. Y'all, get you one of these. I'm going to leave it in the link below. It has so many amazing benefits. It's warm. It's cozy. It's sexy, if I must say. It's vibrant and alluring, fashionable, and it is amazing. You got to get you one of these. And when you do, baby, tag me. Look, I am put on the, look, we going full all out. I don't put the hat on. I put the, button it all the way up to the top, so you can see that even if it's so, the windshield is so low, but even though it's cold outside, I'm still looking good and feeling good. You got to get you one of these with the graphene heated device inside. You got to get you one of these because it's so warm. It's so easy to use. There's so many health benefits to keeping warm for the body, especially in the cold, and benefits for going outside and being in nature. And what better way to go than to go outside and be warm and to feel this heat pulsating throughout your body. I absolutely love this jacket. It's so beautiful and so amazing. And even though it's cool outside, girl, I am warm and I am feeling good. I love my jacket. Thank you so much for sending this over to me. I love this jacket. Thank you so much to Vega and their whole team, the whole graphene team, for sending this jacket over to me. I am so grateful. And thank you so much for watching this video. Get you one. I'm going to leave everything linked below so you can grab you one of these amazing jackets. So just look down in the description and look down in the first pinned comment, and I'll have all the links to everything you need so you can enjoy one of these amazing jackets too. And be sure to tag me, y'all. Okay. All right. I love you guys. Enjoy this cold weather. Enjoy the season. Go out into nature and enjoy yourself. Love yourself. Do something good for yourself. Like grabbing one of these jackets like I did. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate and I love you guys so much.
That's it.